Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unpacking everything leaked about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. From its refined new design to next-gen cameras, AI, and cutting-edge display tech. If you're ready, let's dive in. Samsung is expected to announce the S26 Ultra during its Galaxy Unpacked event in January 2026, possibly even late December to grab holiday sales. It'll hit global markets shortly after. The leaks hint at a sleeker body under 8mm thick, slimmer bezels, and a cleaner rear panel, removing the chunky camera rings of earlier models. There's talk of keeping the S Pen silo intact, but Samsung experimented with removing it to make room for battery tech. That's now unlikely to happen. The S26 Ultra sticks with a 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED 2X display, but this time around it's brighter, topping 3000 nits peak brightness. Plus ultra-thin 1.15mm bezels and advanced color filter encapsulation, OLED, to boost contrast and efficiency. Here's where Samsung went all in. A massive 1/1.1-inch 200-megapixel Sony sensor. First time Samsung uses Sony over ISO CELL, with variable aperture for improved low-light shots. Plus a 50-megapixels periscope lens, 5x zoom, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, and an upgraded 12MP3x telephoto sensor. Under the hood is the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, also known as 8 Gen 4, on 3nm, paired across all variants with 16GB RAM and 256 512ths of a gigabyte, 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Samsung improved thermal management with a 1.2 times larger vapor chamber, ensuring sustained high performance. The S26 Ultra retains a 5000 mAh battery, same as before, but it now uses advanced silicon carbon battery tech for better energy density and heating control. Charging speeds have increased to 65W wired, 15W wireless Qi2, plus reverse wireless charging, stepping up from 45W wired in the S25 Ultra. The device will ship with One UI 8 on Android 16, including Samsung's Galaxy AI, smarter photo edits, live translate, and Pro Visual Engine-powered tools like Generative Edit and Expert RAW. Pricing likely starts around $1,299, same as the S25 Ultra, with a little premium for the camera upgrades. This is shaping up to be Samsung's boldest flagship yet, even brighter screen, next-gen camera, top-tier chip, and sleek design. What do you think? Is the 200-megapixel Sony sensor and 3000 nit display enough to make you upgrade? Smash that like button if you're impressed, and don't forget to subscribe for hands-on coverage when Samsung makes it official. Let me know your thoughts below. I'll catch you in the next video.